Hi, and welcome to this video about marking student rewards as delivered or refunded in Learning Earnings. To see a list of the items that have been purchased by students, click the Reports menu and then the Purchases report. By default, the list will display all of the items purchased during the current month, but you do have a few filter options. You can click the Date Range option and then filter the list to everything that has been purchased, items purchased in the last 90 days, items purchased in the last 60 days, items that were purchased last month, items that were purchased this month, this week, last school week, or in the last 7 calendar days. The report defaults to only showing undelivered items, but you can click the Show Rewards option to filter the list to everything that has been purchased, only those items that are undelivered, or only items that have been delivered. By default, all of the teachers will display, but under the Show Teacher option, you can filter the list to a selected teacher. The list will always display initially in the student last name order, but you can select how the name appears in the list here. It will display either as last name followed by a comma and then first name, or you can click the drop-down arrow and select to show the student's name with the first name and then last name. And you can do the same for the teacher name. If you made any changes to the above options, you can click here to rerun the report to the screen with the selected options. Or you can also print the report directly to a selected printer, or you can export the report to a CSV or comma-separated file. In this example, I changed how I wanted the students' names to display, so I'm going to click Run Report. And the report will display. When the student purchases a reward, they have the option to select who will deliver their reward. This information displays in the first column, followed by the student name and their username that they use to log into Learning Earnings. Their teacher will then display, followed by their grade level, date of purchase, the reward, quantity, and status. I ran a report of all undelivered items, so these are all showing as pending. If I had included items that had already been delivered or refunded, this column would display items as either pending, delivered, or refunded. To mark items as delivered, you can either check the box in the upper right-hand corner to mark all of the items, or you can simply place a check next to each of the individual items that have been delivered to the student. And then click Mark Rewards Delivered. And those items will be removed from the report since they are now delivered. If I needed to refund an item to a student, I can just click the refund link next to their item and click OK to refund the item to them. Then, when a student logs into Learning Earnings and goes to their bank screen, they can click the View Checking History button and see that they have received a refund for the reward. This concludes this video about marking rewards as delivered or refunded in Learning Earnings. Thanks for watching.